Hi, I'm James. I'm one of your senior dealers here at easy-forex. Today, I'm thinking out the box, and I'd like us to talk about the US dollar versus the Russian ruble. Now, we can all see in the press and the media that the ruble is having a very bad time. So bad, in fact, that the Russian central bank has tried to intervene. Firstly, what they tried to do is they raised interest rates, key interest rates that is, from 8% to 9.5%. They then injected $6 billion into FX revenues. Knock-on effect, we saw the dollar ruble and the euro ruble at all-time highs, which basically means the Russian central bank is pretty much helpless. Now, there's two main factors behind this decline. First of all, there is a number of wealthy Russian citizens living in fear for their money, possibly burnt from previous experiences in other countries. Now, apparently, one bank secretly said that every day they're having clients coming in and buying hundreds of thousands of US dollars and placing them in safety deposit boxes as they are scared of capital controls in Russia. They're also scared about their assets being frozen, so they're trying to protect themselves. The second driving factor behind the ruble's decline is the crash in oil prices. Oil prices greatly affect the Russian ruble, and the reason for that is after Saudi Arabia, Russia is the second biggest exporter in crude oil. Now, everybody's trying to double guess now to see if the ruble's decline is going to continue or are we going to see a reverse. Everybody knows these facts, and there's a very old saying that is, buy the rumor, sell the facts. So when you actually see the fact, it's time maybe not to go in. At the same time, there's a very important meeting this month with OPEC, where many people are expecting OPEC to announce a cut in supply. A cut in supply could indeed increase oil prices, which could actually give ruble a bit of a safety net. But then again, like I say, I'm just simply thinking out the box. This is no way a recommendation or any way advice. I do suggest you go and do your own research and your own analysis. I'm James, one of the senior dealers here at easy-forex. You trade safe.